Hi, this is Rock. We're going to take a look at the trunc function. Trunc takes off the extra digits and makes an integer out of a complex number. Let's say we have a number of random birthdays. Let's have two dates between which we've got the birthdays 1/1/1950, 12/31 of 2024. Okay, then the birthdays here are going to be between that date and that date. And we're going to make this, there we go. And then if I copy this down, whoops, I forgot to put absolute values there. Let's do that with F4. So now I can hit Control D. Those are the birthdays. The main thing I want to say is the age here. And I'm going to copy and paste these to keep them from randomizing. Now we've got the actual birthdays in there. All right, so then if we have the age, we can take today's date. Let's say we have a timestamp. Let's say we have now. And so this is what time it is now. The age is just going to be this, and I'll put the absolute reference on that, minus the birthday. If I hit enter, I've got an age in days. I don't usually use days for age, so I'm going to take this formula and divide it by 365.25. Bring that down. Here's the thing with trunc. You can take this and get just everything that's to the left of the decimal point. In this case, I would say trunc that. And the number of digits, in this case, it's an optional argument. And in this case, we don't need any since we want to know the number of years that they are old. So if they haven't completed the full year, then they still will be considered that age. So I'm going to copy that down. Now we have the ages for these folks. And I'm just looking at this, and is this right? I guess for today being the 30th, they haven't turned 2 yet. That is trunc. That's how it works. It takes everything to the right of the decimal point, everything over here, and just truncates it. And there's a use case for it. Next, we'll be discussing round, round up, and round down. See you there.